The water quality of the Xin'an River in East China has been improving thanks to a pilot scheme involving inter-provincial efforts. The Xin'an River flows from Anhui to Zhejiang. It serves as a crucial ecological protective screen and water resource for the Yangtze River Delta, an area covering Shanghai and the provinces of Jiangsu, Zhejiang, and Anhui. To collectively protect and improve the water quality of the river, an innovative cross-provincial pilot scheme for ecological compensation was introduced in 2012. It aims to address a long-standing concern for residents along the river. The water quality control of a river is futile when its headwater is polluted. Under the scheme, the water quality is periodically assessed at the provincial water. If it meets the agreed standards, Zhejiang should compensate Anhui for the ecological protection cost. Otherwise, Anhui should compensate Zhejiang for additional water treatment costs. As the water quality improves, other industries flourish. Among them, tourism and agriculture.
随着皖浙1号旅游风景道等项目的实施，极大地促进了我县旅游的发展，以及优质农产品的更好地走向市场。
大家生活越来越好了，那么现在大家对于健康的那个需求越来越高了。新安江流域治理来说啊，绿色的一个生态，它反而会减少病虫害的发生。无论是从水果的角度，还是从原材料的角度，他们也想做更好的提升。它的原料越好，它的卖价越高，那它的收入越高。